To switch between personal and business on Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Locate the profile icon, usually found in the top right corner, and tap on it to access your profile settings. Next, tap on the Settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Scroll down to the Account section and select Business Profile. If you have not already created a business profile, you will be prompted to do so by tapping on the Create Business Profile option. To create a business profile, enter your business information, including the business name, category, and description. You will also need to provide a profile picture and cover photo that represents your business. Make sure to review and agree to the Venmo business terms and conditions. Once your business profile is set up, you can switch between your personal and business profiles by tapping on the profile icon and selecting the profile you want to use. You can also set a default profile, which will be used when you open the app. When using your business profile, keep in mind that all transactions will be associated with your business. Make sure to only use your business profile for legitimate business transactions and keep your personal transactions separate. It is also important to note that Venmo business profiles have different features and requirements than personal profiles. For example, business profiles require a verified bank account and may be subject to additional fees. To switch back to your personal profile, simply tap on the profile icon and select your personal profile. You can switch between profiles as many times as you need to, making it easy to keep your personal and business transactions separate. Best practices for using Venmo for business include keeping accurate records of all transactions, setting clear boundaries between personal and business expenses, and regularly reviewing your account activity to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily switch between personal and business on Venmo and use the app to manage your business finances effectively.